everyone! Mayong gabi sa inyong atanan. Good evening. So I'm Direct Ruby, or known as Miss B of Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger. There you go. And for this session, I am tasked to discuss to you social media ethics. So before anything else, I would like to ask everyone, sino ba sa inyo dito yung may mga social media accounts? At saan? Anong mga platforms? Yes, we have Facebook. What else? Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Vimeo. What other video sharing platform? Yes, of course, YouTube. So I'm inviting you all to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger. Yes, So, to begin with, since we know now what are the other social media sites, so ano ba talaga yung tinatawag nating social media? So basically, social media is about connecting a community. Communication through websites and other platforms that are used by large groups of people to share information, develop social and professional contacts, and promote business. And for us, leaders, that is used to promote our ideas and projects to our target audience or beneficiaries. So, ano naman yung tinatawag nating ethics? System of moral principles. So, it is concerned with the concept of what is good, bad, what is right, and wrong. While when we talk about social media ethics, it refers to having the right perspective and right thinking on how to leverage social media appropriately and how to engage people in the right manner. So as leaders, we should know how to use social media properly, taking advantage of this platform in order to reach our target audience, our people, our subordinates, our supporters, to go for our project and support our projects. So there are three main principles of social media ethics. First one is authenticity. So people will respond positively if you are sincere. So when you say authentic, diba? You are real. As vloggers, as social media influencers, hindi ka paniniwalaan ng tao kung hindi ka nagpapakatotoo. As leaders, no one will believe in you if you yourself is not real sa sarili mo. Alam mo ba kung bakit ka nandito ngayon? May iba sa inyo nagtitinginan pa, tumatawa. Nakangiti. Why? Do you know exactly what's your purpose? Why are you chosen to be one of the participants in the seminar, in this workshop? How sincere are you in your motives in joining this workshop? Diba? If you could answer that, then kahit anong ibato sa inyo, alam nyo why you exist in your own organizations. Second, we have communication. It is getting to know people as people and letting them get to know you. Diba? In our organization, we have speak, act, and inspire. Number one, sabi, speak. We should know how to communicate honestly and in an open manner. Pag sinabing social media, maraming taong nagsasalita. Now, this is my opinion. I have the right to say my opinion. You communicate, but as leaders, we should be ethical. How could you say that you are ethical? Because you are honest to yourself. You are open, which means you respect each other. If you give respect to other people, then they will surely respect you. And the third principle is transparency. So having hidden agendas will only count against you. Parang bumabalik tayo sa first and second. That's why medyo mabilisan yung pag-discuss natin ng first and second principles, kasi yung sa third principle na ito, it still sums up everything. When you say you're transparent, you're open. When you're open, kailangan sincere ka. What else when you say transparent? See-through, kitang-kita. A social media person, as a leader, kailangan alam ng mga kasamahan natin kung ano ba yung ginagawa natin. In an organization, kailangan transparent tayo, especially na, di ba? Usually yung nag-aaway-away yung mga tao dahil sa yes. Others say they go on social media, be an influencer dahil merong diba? Yon. But hindi lahat napapatakbo ng pera. That's why ethics comes in. So in transparency, we are able to establish yourself as an honest, credible person in the eyes of others. In transparency, you invite trust by revealing that you have nothing to hide. Social media is all about creating relationship with your target audience, forming bonds, communities, and creating a better understanding of each key targets. You should remember that transparency is a critical component of leadership. Being open and vulnerable may make you nervous, but digital revolution had made transparency a matter of survival. If you are not genuine, you are risking everything. So as a leader, how could you say that you are transparent? It is giving feedback as a constructive criticism. Me as a vlogger, as a social media influencer, we have this what you call sponsored vlogs, wherein we are being asked to go to a restaurant or try something, a product, and give reviews. So practicing social media ethics, some of the products may have defects or that would not suit our tastes. So instead of saying bad about the product, what do you think should we do? Yes, talk directly to our customers. So hindi lahat na nakita mo ay kailangan mong sabihin online. As responsible leaders, as ethical social media influencers, you should also screen whatever you want to say. Hindi lahat sinasabi sa publiko. That's why we have, lately, toxic na yung ating social media sites. Dahil lahat na lang ng rants, lahat na lang ng ayaw sa mundo, ina-upload, pinupost, sinasabi na lang kasi it's our opinion, it's not yours. Who cares? That's mine, diba? No, but as leaders, you should be responsible in whatever you post online. You could also practice transparency by aligning your customers' expectation to reality. Do not overpromise. Yan yung nagiging problema ng for us as vloggers. Mahirap at bawal na bawal mag-overpromise. Ma'am, gagawa ko ng vlog. Kailan ko to i-upload? Just give me 24 hours and I'll upload it. After 24 hours, hindi mo na-upload. Asa na yung credibility mo? Asa na yung salita mo? As leaders, the challenge to you is how would you be able to transform the obligation of transparency into something that is enjoyable. Kasi 'di ba minsan takot tayong maging honest kasi alam nating ma-judge tayo ng tao. But if you are creative enough to make activities that encourage communication within your organization, hindi matatakot yung tao yung mga tao mo na magpakatotoo sa'yo. Yung kliyente mo to be true to you. And as social media personnel, as influencers, hindi din matatakot yung mga audience natin na mag-engage and tell about themselves sa iyo if ikaw mismo ay naging open, naging transparent, naging honest sa kanila. In my channel, for example, I do events cover, and lately I do food vlogs, but it is not part of my channel to share my personal life. So yan, sabi, most of the vlogs, pag sinabi nila, ay hindi ako nanonood ng vlogs kasi about naman yan sa personal life ng tao, pakiko sa kanya, di ba? Medyo may other people would look at vlogs like that. So I thought of having na, oh nga no, there's nothing interesting about my life, but I'll go and feature other people's lives, other people's activities, other people's restaurants, food, products. Maybe other people would be interested knowing them. But over the year, I noticed that my viewers would also want to get to know me. Pero I blocked myself in the process. Now, sabi ko, I have to be transparent to them. Kailangan makilala din nila ako personally. But yun, takot din ako at some point. So what I thought of, I have this vlogger friend who is in a radio station. So I joined his program. He invited vloggers. And there, unti-unti, nagiging komportable ako to share my personal life. So I joined the radio station. I guested there and shared a piece of my life. Kung gusto nyong malaman ko ano yun, just visit my my channel. Yun. So, in a creative way. Nag-enjoy ako, and at the same time, we have collaborations with other vloggers, and my viewers, my audience, my subscribers was able to get to know me on a personal level. So, yun talaga, as leaders, kailangan nating maging authentic. We should communicate and be transparent. So, I hope naging makabuluhan ang ating discussion this evening, and I would like to leave this golden rule sa inyong lahat. Being a social media personnel, influencer, leader online, I believe so. Baka magiging part kayo ng vlogging community natin dito, no? Not just in Iloilo, but in the Philippines. I leave this golden rule to all of you. Treat others as you would like to be treated. Hindi lahat ng bagay pinupost natin online. Hindi porket may binibenta tayong image ay ibablast natin, ipipm natin lahat ng nasa friends list natin. Uy, miss, add me sa Facebook. After 2 hours, eto pala yung product ko. Social media is connecting a community, building a relationship. Ayaw nyo naman siguro na ma-feel na, ay, naging friends lang kami kasi he needs me. He wants to sell something to me. Diba? So, kung ayaw nyo yung maramdaman, then don't do it to others. So that's it for this evening. Thank you so much for listening, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Rubeinspired!